So folks, we're talking the easy way to trim hedges. Yes, there's the old-fashioned way, you know, snip, 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 snip. Today with townhouses, many complexes, we have got loads and loads of hedging. Of course, that's to screen the neighbour, because we don't really like them. Well, we love them, but not that much. So if you had to go with the manual operation, boy guys, that's going to take you forever. Take a look at this new battery-powered Husqvarna hedge trimmer. Simply brilliant. Here are a few things that are really important. Number one, here's my battery. This is all I need. No petrol, no worrying about, do I have enough? Have I mixed it properly? Is the fuel right? Oh no, all you got to do is charge up this baby, pop it in. It tells you, just like a fuel gauge. Oh, my battery's full. I've got enough power. And as it goes down, so your battery power will then start removing. Nice and simple, easy to use. The important safety features about this guy is that you have to depress right here on the handle before this will activate. So there's no ways that you're going to be cutting anything that you shouldn't be cutting, you know, people, hedges, plants. So nice important, you've got to depress that and depress this at the same time for it to activate. Another important feature is the eco mode. So that's if you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of your battery life, which in this particular battery would last you 2 to 3 hours. The eco mode controls your revving, so it gives you optimum. It's like riding on eco in a car. Makes sense, gets the most out of your battery life. Another really important tip when you are planting your first hedge is to rather trim it frequently. So every few weeks, just take off the top, take off the top. Immediately when you do that, what you're doing is you're activating the plant growth hormones out to the side, and that causes lateral growth. There's nothing worse than having a 2-meter hedge and you can still see through the bottom, like dirt. That's just not going to work.